UNMEI is the most advanced Galvo laser system available. It features web-based AI-driven software, up to 12 by 12 marking area, 2D and true dynamic 3-axis Galvo options, as well as room to accommodate objects up to 24 inches tall. UNMEI has a standard overview camera with whole lens correction and Z-Cam 3D measurement, and click to autofocus anywhere. Optional coaxial camera stitches up to 196 images for 20-micron resolution for the finest details. A removable back panel allows pass-through of large objects that don't fit in the case. By keeping the laser and optic stationary and traveling the Z-table, UNMEI maintains the highest reliability. Available with 1064 infrared, 532 green, and 355 UV, UNMEI can handle nearly any material. Rotary axis allows engraving 360-degree cylinder engraving. AI software allows easy 2D to 3D subsurface glass engravings. UNMEI can be customized with a variety of options to solve any laser engraving needs. Contact sales@fslaser.com for more information.